Oh hell, got a 2008 Dodge Ram. Those of y'all who follow this will recognize this is the one we put the bed on, and we made a slight mistake. I thought the tires made a decent amount of noise, but I noticed it started getting louder and louder, so we talked about it and figured out must be the wheel bearing. So if you don't know how to test that, one of the first ways to do is once you get it up in the air, the tire off the ground, you can grab the top and bottom and shake. You hear that play? Yeah, there's a lot of play in that thing. So I'm gonna show you how to change them. That is not an end-all be-all test though. I also, if I'm suspicious and it doesn't have any play like that, I'll take the tire off, take the brake and rotor off, and then spin it by hand and just see if it feels grindy and chunky. But for now, I'm gonna show you how to take them off. I know this one's bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do both of them because I've heard these Dodges have a problem with these. So I'm gonna get this tire off and then we'll pick up from there. All right, it's pretty straightforward from here if you have a two-wheel drive. So we're gonna start off by taking off this brake caliper, which is 13 millimeter on the bottom and the top. And then we'll wiggle this off, pull the pads, then we'll get the brake caliper bracket and the rotor off. Well, got the caliper off, and you see I suspended it up the upper control arm with zip ties, so you're not putting a bunch of pressure on the brake line. Then you got 21 millimeter bolts on the caliper bracket, one on the top, one on the bottom. I've taken the bottom one out already, so we'll take that off, and this caliper bracket will slide right off. Obviously your brake pads, they just grab them and pop them right off of there. So let me shoot this off, and then we'll slide the rotor off. It doesn't have a check screw or anything, so it'll come right off. And then we are ready to work on the hub. So if you remember what I said earlier, I said if you didn't have play, that didn't necessarily mean it was bad. So obviously with play, it's gonna sound horrible like this. But yeah, it could sound less bad, but still bad. Still crunchy and grindy. But that thing is horrible, man. So all right, so for this we got the ABS sensor here, which is an Allen head, an Allen head bolt, and then we got 3 bolts on the back side, one here, one here, one here. They look to be about an 18. So let me grab those couple things and we'll work on getting this puppy out of here. All right, I plopped the wheel speed sensor out and tossed it up over here. So typically these hub assemblies will come with a new one, but I don't have it here, so I'm gonna set it back there until I find out if yours does indeed come with a new one. Then you just come up here with a 10 mil, take that out, follow the line up, and somewhere back up in here, it's like right here, is the plug, and you just unplug that. And I'm gonna assume I'll be doing that here in the short future. But yeah, once you have the bolts out, make sure you or note the position of your caliper and your dust shield if you're new to this. If not, you can figure it out pretty easily. And then yeah, this puppy's ready to work right out of there. Let's see. Sketchy with the new GoPro. Just like that. So yeah, this is crusty, dude. We'll toss this over here with this scrap engine. And I'm gonna get the other side out while we wait for a new one. It's as simple as that. What you're gonna wanna do is get some red Scotch-Brite. It's a brake cleaner, and clean out this surface and this mounting surface here. And then don't forget to re-lock tight or lock tight the bolts that go in the hub assembly and in the caliper bracket. That's all there is to it. Also, I'll put a link up here and in the description for some hub assemblies if you'd like to order them from Amazon. We get a kickback, it really helps us out. So yeah, easy as that. If it's 4-wheel drive, it's a little more complicated because you have an axle in here, but still not terrible. Yeah, if the video helped you out, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.